So we have stopped here, right? So that means, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So that means, suppose in case of the cancer of, always I told you in my previous class also, even if the cancer is of small area, we should always see, like we are taking a little bit big area, we should cut and resect it. Okay, proximally at least 4 to 5 centimeters, distally also as much as possible. So in this case, you are seeing like large part of sigmoid colon, rectum and anal canal has been removed. So in this case, you will see this is the opening. That means this is now new external anal sphincter like thing, which is now pulled out and it is tied out and it is connected to this bag. Okay, so that the fecal matter is always collected in this bag. Okay, so this is one surgical technique. Okay, you can see it will be something like this, and of course it should be cleaned repeatedly. Then anorectal abscess. Abscess means what, beta? Pus. Okay, so
Yes.
that means there is some infection because of which in the rectum area and also in the anal orifice you will see the formation of pus. And warts means hardened tissue. The skin becomes very much hard, dry, rough, scaly. Okay, it may be some fungal infection or any sort of infection. Okay, so those are anal warts. Okay, so fissures means, so that means there is a new pathway developed. Fissures, fistulas, I told you. Fissures means cracks in a simple language. These are nothing but cracks which are seen in the mucosa, anal mucosa. Okay, so different areas we can. Fistulas means, I told you, new connection. Somewhere this word came, fistula. So it is, you can see in this aspect you are finding the,
Hernia.
no, hernia is different, beta.
What
Hernia is,
happened here?
अरे फिस्टुला आया था, वो रितिका पूछे भी थे तो मैं बोली
Yes, ma'am, I remember me asking.
yeah,
Some wrong connection is formed, like a different path or something like that.
yeah, yeah. See, you just look at this picture, you will understand very well. See, it's a new passage which has started from the rectum, anal or recto-anal junction or anal orifice. Now the connection is opening directly in the skin. फीकल मैटर यहाँ से भी आ रहा, फिर ये नए रास्ते से यहाँ से भी निकल रहा बेटे, ये नए नए रास्ते हैं ये ब्लैक वाला जो भी है ना, न्यू पाथवे, नया नया, मतलब ये म्यूकोजा, ये पूरा 4 वॉल्स वीक हो जाते, mucosa, submucosa, muscular layer and serosa, they all become weakened, because of which new pathways will go and directly they open into the anal skin. That's what is called as fistula, based on in which area they have started these 4 types. Type 1 is intersphincteric, transsphincteric, suprasphincteric and extrasphincteric. Like that we have different types of fistulas. Okay, so fistula in ano, देखो यहाँ से, I so bad to see now. यहाँ से fecal matter निकल रहा ना बेटा. Basically it should come out like this. Okay, this fistula in ano. And fissures means cracks, I said. Okay, cracks are fissures. Fistula means new connections, new passages. Okay, so sentinel pile means you are finding that mucosal fold, a skin tag which is protruding outside through the anal orifice. Hypertrophied papillae. Okay, this is actually not required, but still I get. This is again recto. This also again Ritika only has asked previously. Recto-uterine and recto-vesical fistula. See here, fistula means abnormal communication. No? So vesico-uterine means what? Between the urinary bladder and uterus there is a connection. So that means contents that urine may go through this path and it may come out through the vagina. Similarly, menstrual blood may go through vesico-uterine fistula. It may enter into the urinary bladder and it can come out through urethra. Okay, like that. Similarly, this is recto-vaginal. Recto-vaginal means fecal matter can come out through vagina, isn't it? And menstrual blood can come out through rectum, anal canal. To and fro direction, the contents can move. Okay, these abnormal communications, new pathways. Okay, those are fistulas, recto-uterine and recto-vesical fistula. Okay, they can be congenital. Recto-urethra. Urethral means From the rectum, the connection is now established till urethra. That means fecal matter can come out through urethra. Okay, like that. Fistulas. Rectobladder fistulas are also there. That means connection may establish between the rectum and also the neck of the urinary bladder. Okay. So that's what the passage of contents may go in both the directions. Okay. So there is these are all embryological things. Rectal atresia means rectum is not so much developed. It got atrophied. Okay. And there is no communication with anal canal. So it has to be surgically treated immediately after birth. And a new connection has to be established, pulling it downwards. Okay. So imperforate anus. Some newborn babies may be born like this. So a nick of incision is given and it is surgically corrected. Imperforate hymen also will be there, no? In case of some, that will be diagnosed only at menarche. Menarche means starting of menstrual cycles. So though she gets her menstrual cycle, but bleeding will not be coming out due to imperforate vaginal orifice. Okay, so like that. So this is imperforate anus. So different types. These are anyhow. This will be studied in embryology. Okay, imperforate anus. Okay, that's it. Better. So